Hi guys, so it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and we are coming through to do a different kind of video. We are going from bum to baddie. As you can see, your girl got her face done, got her hair done, everything's done except for my nails. But don't judge me because we're taking a break from the acrylics right now. So they look real raggedy right now. They look real bad, don't they? But yeah, if you want to see how I did this hair and how I did my makeup, then just continue to watch the video. Go watch. Go watch.
I see you, baby.
Alright guys, so here we are looking like a bum. No reason why I've been looking like this for, honestly, since I graduated college. I almost feel like I don't know how to do it, which is so weird because sometimes I swear I be forgetting how to do my makeup. Like, I don't know. So today we're just gonna turn into a baddie. We have nothing to do today, but I don't care. I'm just gonna put a wig on. I'm gonna put some makeup on, and I'm gonna sit around the house and look cute, and I'm gonna drink some margaritas later. Like, that is the plan. We gonna get into it, okay? So first off, we're gonna start with the hair because, listen, I need some hair on. I really do. But I did me some braids, like 6 of them, just to make sure, you know, my hair is somewhat tied down, I guess you could say. A little gorilla snot. Make sure that cap don't stay. Yeah, I gotta do something. I've been looking a hot mess lately. And I know my boyfriend be like, girl. We just trying to be a little baddie today. Cause I need to do something like, hey, keep looking like this. But this hair, I can tell now, this hair gonna have to be curled. I was thinking on whether we're gonna straighten this hair or were we actually going to, was I gonna straighten it or was I gonna curl it? But I'm definitely going to curl it because I can already tell I don't like the length of it, so. And I did make this wig myself too, so makes it kind of easier. So cool. Oh, y'all, what am I gonna look like with a middle part? Ooh. And I know how my clients be feeling, honey. Head be on fire for the Lord, don't it? We're gonna go ahead and glue this down, and then we can start on our face, and this is where the magic is gonna happen today. We're gonna be a baddie, you hear me? And I'm just doing this, securing it by spraying a little bit of spray on it. And then I just like to comb it through. Perfect. And this is the easiest way to adhere your wig, especially when you're not trying to wear it every day, or not wearing it to bed anyway, because I don't like to wear my wigs to bed. All right, so now we got that sprayed. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this down, and we just gonna put a couple of loose curls in his hair because I just don't, I'm not in a mood. So we're gonna take just our razor comb and just even this out because this looks a hot mess because it stops here and then all the rest of the hair is gone. And feel free to go slow because that's how you make mistakes, for real. All right. Already sprayed my heat protected. Now I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Garnier Fructis Marvelous Oil because this stuff is bomb AF, and I'll just put a little of this onto the hair. Gives it a little shine. So make some really big curls. I don't want like super tight curls because we ain't got nowhere to be. We ain't got nothing to do. Nothing. But I just really hope that everyone's having like a great new year so far because I know some people's January, if like mine, have still had some 2020 BS going on, so that part. But your girl's about to get like for real serious about her weight loss journey. Like for real, I really want to get on it. But for real, just for health reasons and just to be a better person and to feel better overall. I feel like my health would feel like I would feel so much better if I was actually working out. I've always played, you know, sports growing up, and I just feel like I just have an athletic type body, and I just have to like stay in shape because I feel like my knees and stuff hurting. I'm telling you, like, honey, baby. Okay, so we just got finished curling our hair, and y'all, these curls are like really curly. I did not mean to do that. So now we're just gonna take this off. I think I just kind of need to pluck it a little bit more, but we're gonna do our face, and then we'll really know what we're feeling like. We just gonna do this real quick and real simple because we just trying to be just kind of cute and put together today. I just want a little something different. I just want to look like somebody, you know. But first off, I got to start by using my Milk of Magnesia. I know some people may come for me for using this, but I don't care what nobody say. I don't know another primer that really stops the oil and makes my makeup last all day, period. All right, so on to the fun part, which would be the face, which would be my face. So I'm pulling that out. And excuse my fingernails. I know y'all been seeing my nails, like they are so ratchet. But the thing is, I've been wearing acrylics for so long that I just had to give my fingers a break. Like literally my pinky nails are trying to come off and shit, so we can't be having that. Alright, so now we're just going to take a primer. I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I know on top of my Milk of Magnesia, because no matter what kind of primer I use, I have to use Milk of Magnesia first. So, and this will just kind of give me a lot more coverage and just really help to mattify my face even more. Class of 10 335. This is like my favorite all-time go-to foundation. Am I out, bro? Bruh. Hopefully I have enough to make it better. Get that little white off my nose. But yeah, this is my favorite. And I like to take my foundation and just do the center of my face and then kind of buff it out for the rest. And of course I'm using just a regular beauty blender because I don't like the way brushes apply. And this is why I have on this scarf, because my foundation gets a little messy when I'm doing it up here, and I just didn't want it everywhere. And now I'm gonna go in with a concealer. If I didn't just buy this concealer, I would be using the Fawn under my eye, but you want a concealer that's kind of like the same color as your skin. So this MAC NC45, this used to be Bae. I'm actually gonna put her on the back of my hand first. Just putting, because it's new, it just takes a couple of times to pump out. I'm just gonna take this and just put it under my eye. Okay, I lied, maybe I need another whole bowl. Okay, maybe two more. Okay. I think because it's new, usually you only need like two. But since this stuff is so thick, this will just help just disguise the fact that I look super tired. Now we're just going to just pat that all around the eye. And I just kind of bring it down my nose as well, just to make sure it just looks nice and even. We're gonna go ahead and contour. For contour, I'm going to use, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty one because it's just on hand right now. So I'm gonna do it Putting all that out. And I want harsh. Far down my forehead. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and highlight, because we're gonna let that sit for a minute. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty on top of that MAC, just to highlight a little bit. Alright, same sponge, blend it out. Cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and set. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup powder only because I haven't bought nothing else to set with lately. I need to buy some new stuff. I just honestly haven't gotten around to it. I know somebody said you're supposed to use a brush or something first, but I think I did that last time. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm just gonna let it bake. Guys, I'm going to use my, I didn't know what I was going to do. I'm going to use my NC45, and this is the Studio Fix powder plus foundation. I've never used this before, so I feel like this is like heavy, because I swore like the mineralized skin finish was kind of like, it wasn't a foundation kind of deal, and this kind of looks like, I don't know if it's really gonna match or not, but we about to see. But we're gonna put it on real light, because I'm not trying to put on foundation on top of foundation, you feel me? Feels pretty light, not too bad. Our now bronzer, our Milani. This is like my favorite bronze glow. We getting pan over here, but that's okay because we got backup. I don't know if this is discontinued or what, but either way, this is my joint. I'm gonna wait on my highlighter, but I am gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of blush, which is just the same Milani Roso de Oro. Spray your face. And I just like the I don't know my favorite, the Mario Badescu spray. And you can see I be drenching my face, baby. I feel like I didn't get the eyes. Then just going with that same bronzer. And I'm just using my Morphe 504 brush, which is my favorite, like buffing out can't even talk. Buffing out brush. I love the way it deposits the color, and then it just like fluffs it. Like, love it. Especially my bronzer, because this is my go-to look. As y'all know. Yes. We feeling cuter already. I'm liking the way this is coming along right now. Perfect. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. What is this one? The old Soul Culture palette. And we're just gonna put this on my idea. Like, in MAC, and I was like, let me get a gold deposit. Like, I haven't had a gold deposit in a minute. And this is her. Hey girl, I missed you. Hey, I missed you. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighter. Eyeliner. And here we are. I would have to say this is our finished look. My hand, I need to get something. Clean my hands off. But for the most part, I would say this is our finished look. Super easy, cute, natural. Especially since we're gonna be sitting around the house. Right there. Okay. So yeah, this is our finished look. We are a baddie. We a baddie, girl. We got ourselves together. I haven't seen myself with makeup and hair on in so long. It's like, girl, Girl, what was you doing with your life? You wouldn't even think I knew how to even do any hair or makeup. You would just think I was a freaking bum. I know people in Walmart used to me being like, who is that girl? Why is she on the same thing every time we see her? It's the story of my life. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Nah, I'm just saying. This is pretty much it for this video. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, watching me transform from a bum into a somewhat of a baddie, even though I don't have anywhere to go. But it's just something really cute and put together. But yeah, so this is it. This is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We just had to transform real quick because I was so tired of looking like a bum. Like, I ain't did no makeup, no hair, no nothing for like a minute, and it feels good to be back in my element, you know what I mean? Cause that girl is feeling hella cute right now and have nowhere to go, but that's beside the point. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something, or you know, if you got any comments, questions, feel free to leave those below. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up as well as the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming uploads, because your girl is about to bring the heat this year. You feel me? Like, it's the consistency for me, baby. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all go and do all that stuff, and I will see y'all in the next one. Deuces.